The Greenworks 24V portable power cleaner is a versatile and efficient tool, delivering up to 600 pounds per square inch and 0.8 gallons per minute for a powerful cleaning experience. This power cleaner features an adjustable nozzle with a 5-in-1 selectable spray pattern, offering options for various cleaning tasks and ensuring quality performance, as it is Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certified. The portable design of this power cleaner, equipped with a 20-feet siphon hose, allows it to draw water from any fresh water source, making it a versatile tool for a wide variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. The product comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a utility bristle brush, an 11.9-inch extension wand, a 20-feet siphon hose, a garden hose adapter, and a 13 fluid ounces detergent bottle for deep cleaning. The pressure washer, tested and verified by an independent lab as part of the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association certification, assures the user of the power and performance delivered as promised. The Greenworks 24V portable power cleaner is compatible with both 24V and 48V batteries, providing flexibility and longer run times.